Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, it's 6:46. Welcome back to Good Day Dakota, and a lot less action here in the Dakotas compared to what's happening out in the ocean.
Yes. Now, we do have action for us, but it is nowhere near as impactful as that hurricane that will be hitting the eastern seaboard. But we do have chances for some severe weather, so I want to get to that here. Let's talk about what you're heading out to the heading out the door to. Right now, we're at about 51 in Williston. Northeast winds at, as you can see, 6 miles per hour. Bismarck at 53. The easterly winds, they're going to stay mostly easterly. If you're not seeing an easterly wind, you will. Look at that beautiful sky cam. It might not. A little bit of cloud cover there. 43 degrees, a northeast wind at 5 miles per hour. And in Dickinson, also in the upper 40s right now. 47 with an east-northeast wind at 7 miles per hour. So here are the showers and thunderstorms that we saw earlier this morning. In fact, I don't see any thunderstorm action right now. We did earlier as it moved through the capital city and through Mandan earlier this morning, but maybe a lightning strike there to the northeast. But for the most part, it is pretty much just lifting to the north and really not giving us any cause for concern in terms of strong to severe weather. But we will see a chance for that later on tonight. Temperatures 40s and 50s, 46 in Harvey, 50 in Garrison, 49 in Hettinger, upper 40s in Watford City. And the winds will stay easterly today, 10 to 15. That's pretty much where they're at right now. They might increase a bit for some areas, gusting to 20 and 25. So you'll feel the winds just like you did yesterday. Maybe not as windy as yesterday, but check out this temperature profile here. Much cooler in the north than in the south. We've got some 80s in the south, some mid to upper 80s along the border, and that's because a warm front's going to lift into the state later on today, allowing for those temperatures to really rise, and then keeping the rest of us in the 60s and the 70s. Now, that warm front is also going to be the culprit for the chance for severe weather. We've got a marginal risk here for central and western North Dakota and mostly up towards the northeast, so the Turtle Mountains over the lake into the Four Bears region there, Killdeer. You're under a chance for severe weather. Now, again, it's a marginal risk, and so if we see something become severe, large hail will be one of the main hazards here. Wind still will be, but I don't see that making that severe level criteria as much. Now, we keep this isolated, very isolated chance for some showers and storms today, mostly cloudy, but it's overnight tonight with that warm front as it lifts in from the south that it generates those showers and storms that could become strong to severe. So here's overnight. This is actually midnight, so we'll be watching well into the overnight. Chances for some storms to become strong. And this is pushing out here as we head into Thursday. In fact, Thursday partly sunny. Temperatures tomorrow back in the 60s and 70s. Here's your potential rain, a trace to a quarter for a lot of us, but some areas could see more because we've got a lot of moisture to work with here. We could see some heavy downpours. Here's a quick look at your Minot and Williston 7-day 60s, mostly on this 7-day. And we head into the weekend, kind of an active forecast, especially on Saturday. It looks like breezy as well. Here's Bismarck and Dickinson, several small chances for some rain and storms, which you know what that means. It means very hit or miss when it comes to the rain in the weekend.
And it also means that we are still in summer mode.
I would say summer severe weather mode. Yeah,
you know, we're not talking snow.
We're not talking 80s and 90s, and we're not talking snow.
Exactly.
We've got the, the summer-like features.
Sounds good. Thanks, Amber. And when we return on Good Day to